Hi everyone and welcome to this new Swift tutorials regarding the series about learning Swift 6. Today we are going to explore the basics of variables and constants in Swift 6. These are some of the essential concepts for any programming learning, and so like C, like Java, like Kotlin about the Android development and so on, okay, are some of the important bits. And today we are going to explore and to deep dive about this programming concept, the essential concepts of Swift. Well, start by what are variables and the constants. Well, we have to think about variables like containers that can store values but can change in the future. Yes, you can think of them as a box where you can put different things over time. On the other hand, constants are containers that store values that cannot change on set. Well, they are like locked box where you can only put one thing and it stays there forever. Well, now let's deep dive and to show you an example of how to declare a variable and how to declare a constant. Then let's start by using var, V-A-R, where this stands for the variable as a variable keywords, followed by, I don't know, like, well, username or username where it's equal to Yaki, the data YouTubers. That's nice, guys, very nice. Okay, this it's a variable, okay, and the syntax basically is keyword var, where this stands for we're going to use I want something that can change, okay, followed by the name, code name, okay, username in that case. And remember, every name you give to variable, constant, and so on shouldn't be like X, Y, or they have to, they have to follow a specific naming convention, because this is for you like for everyone in the projects. Then username, okay, is good. If you do something like what the hell is this, guy? What the hell is this? Okay, then because the name have to tell you and the other people what does it mean in the scenarios, in the line of code, and so on, where you use this, okay. And then this is a variable username followed by equal. I'm initializing this variable with a string inside the double quotes, chiacchierare, boom, boom. Well, that's nice. Now, let me think, okay. This is very useful when you need then to update information dynamically. But let's suppose we want to declare a constant. What we have to use as keywords? Well, we have to use let, followed, say always like before the name of our variables, immutable and mutable. This is another way we can name this variable, but mutable variable can change and immutable variable or constant. Then it's very easy for us, basically, remember var, variable, and constant, basically. Let followed by the name. Oh, let me think. Birth year. Oh, I think I can change my birth year. No, if I could, why not? I probably want to come back in the past, became a little more younger. Oh, no, it isn't possible. Okay, until we couldn't phrase like the project in Germany, blah blah blah. I don't know, guys. We can stay in here for other half years, over hundreds yeah, no, okay, yeah, I'm joking, but anyway, yeah, okay, birth year. And okay, I didn't, let me add my year now. Oh, 1996. Oh, you have 20 years. You are 20 years old. Holy damn. Holy. Yeah. Okay, and this is the birth year. And like you see, birth year is this guy, okay? But why not? I want to, I don't know. I have to came back about, I have to came the past and I don't know, gain 2 years, like It's on 996. Yeah, I have to like birth here. I want to have it's on 28. I thought like 1999 6 7 8 9. Okay, 3 years. Wow. And now I have 25 years. Holy damn, holy go. Sorry. I can't, no. No. Okay, yeah, I'm joking, guys, obviously. But, you know, that this is a constant. We can change. It's constant. It's a constant, and the value cannot change, and the cannot change cannot change cannot well, cannot change and the cannot change well cannot change. Okay, this is the output. Well, cannot change. Well, oh. But why? Okay, this help prevent accidental changes and makes your code safer. Variables are flexible but can lead to mistakes if not managed carefully. Then is some of the real scenarios. Then constants provide safety by ensuring that critical values remain unchanged. And then using constants can also help Xcode optimize your code for better performance. That's the real example, basically. We have to think about also optimization for our code and for our product. Then we have to also have a reliable performance code project where we spread to thousands of millions of people, of billion people all around the world. Then let me know. We don't want to have bugs. Okay, there are bugs. Could happen, but basically we could have bugs in the apps. But when we can prevent, why not, guys? Then we have to prevent where possible. Okay. Then now let's see some practical example of using variables and constants in Swift. For instance, you may use a variable, for example, to track the user score in a game. Now let's suppose like at the var like user score or user score, yeah, followed by 0. Oh, I'm 0, yeah, because you have to start. Oh, now let's suppose user score plus equal 10 points. Yeah. What? Are you kidding me? Yes, typable. Okay, user score plus equal 10. Now 0, user score became 10. Okay? Okay, let me run from now. Okay, user score is 0. If, for example, I call this user score from here, following the line and the compiler, what it will compile, it's following the user score now it's 0. Later is 0. But after the changes of this variable, now it's 10. Okay, if I call user score after this line, 20, it became at line 22, 10. Boom. Okay. Now is this. Okay, user score is value of 10. Good. And for a constant, for something that doesn't change, like a game version, okay? Now, let's suppose let game version, okay, it's equal to, okay, 1.0, okay. Now, let me explain a little bit, okay? The game version, yes, it's a constant, basically, because it will remain constant until you release a new version. Then basically it's a constant variable where you put, I don't know, for example, in the settings app of the game or whatsoever, and it will remain constant in every time you use the app, the game, or yeah, and but it will change until you deploy a new version of this game, when it will be released to your cloud, to your folks, to the public, on the app store or whatsoever. Well, and this basically it's a constant. Okay, this is you change basically when there is a new version. Basically it's a constant, but the user score in the game will change every time you make a new, I don't know, for example, you play a game where you have to tap on the balls, like Hit Enemy, a game I developed, for example, or like Flappy Bird, okay, you have to tap it to pass. Every time you pass the pipes, okay, you gain a points, okay. Or for my hit enemy game, you gain the points every time you tap a ball that came for all 360 degree in the space into the games that were inspired kids. And yes, this game, it's, yeah, you know, you can gain points every time you tap a ball. And it's an endless game, but, well, every time you tap a ball, every time you increment the difficulties and so on, you can also get more points, like not only +1, but like +5, +10, blah blah blah, with based on the difficulties, time, velocity, and so on. But there are also strange balls, like all the fortune ball, where you can get fantastic things, or they have. Okay, we are not here now to talk about my game, but I will talk about it in a video here at Codico. I don't know. Okay, well, and that's it. These are basically some better examples, but I can also show you like other example, like var. I want a dog. I want a dog. Okay, let's do Control Command Space to show the emoji picker, and let me add the DOJ. Okay, no, because it's in Italy now. Cane. Oh, it's my cane. Dog is equal to a DOG. Yeah, and this is the emoji way we can call our variables. This is a very important feature about Swift programming language. But I can also do, I don't know, var, cat, or cat. Yeah, as gatto in Italian, okay? Where's my cat? No black cat. No black cat, yeah. I didn't have this black cat because, you know, the story about if you saw a black cat by walk. I don't feel about the obvious things, but let me add the black cat. Second, what the heck? Yeah, cat. Oh. Oh, guys. Okay, let me add the cat. Yeah, and followed by cat. Oh, and then if you call this emoji, okay, for example, you will get the output dog. Oh, it's a dog. Oh, it's a cat. What? What's your point? Oh, okay. What variable cat is equal to cat? Yeah, okay, let me do print. Yeah, this is the error basically. Me want this code? No, cat. But why, man? Do we stuff on? Sorry, guys. Okay, dog. Var. Let me add, I don't know, like. Okay, let me add, for example, Sofia. It's equal to Sofia, Bulgaria. Well, then, okay, I don't know why cat dogs, but okay. Now let's suppose this will print Sofia. Okay, if I try to call this emoji, I will get Sofia, Bulgaria. Okay, as you see here. Okay, but also basically for the cat, but I don't know what the hell doing this for the emoji. Okay, let me add this. I don't like oh, the alien. Oh, alien. I love the aliens. Holy moly. Okay, and like that, I want. Oh no, I wish to meet an alien on Moon or Mars. Why not, guys? Why not? Why not? Yeah, the alien area 51. Yeah. And then if I try to run this, oh, this poor dog and cat can walk. I hope this is a compiled temporary bug. And then, oh, I wish to meet an alien on Moon or Mars. Why not? Yeah, when we could travel to the moon, why not? I don't know when and why, but yeah, you know, guys. And yeah, and this is it's a way we can declare also our variables, and it's very useful. But also now let me show you another code example of how we can declare our variables. For example, we can create a variable like I love apple. Okay, this is the right way. Let me add the apple, yeah, like this one, yeah. But showing in this case like the mela, the symbol of the apple, obviously. And yeah, I love apple. Yeah, yes, this is allowed, obviously, camel case, lower camel case link. But basically we can do, or is highly not recommended to do like I love apple. I add two in order to avoid errors, obviously. Okay, I love apple. Okay, this is not advised, it's not recommended. Followed by I love apple. Okay, like Dolan apple. Okay, let me run this code. Okay, as you can see, some characters you can do, okay, you can declare, but if I do, for example, dot apple, yeah, obviously you can add the like dot, comma, call, and so on. This, okay, not allowed, example, not recommended, well, or like var with the numbers. Okay, you can start with a number, okay, or you can start like one apple, okay, it's equal to, or like, sorry, two apples, okay, like two, and boom, okay. As you can see, you can do that because you can start with a number, you can add later. Okay, now let me comment this. Okay, not allowed, yeah, but you can do in the way apples like apple 2, like this apple 128k, like the Macintosh 28k apples, apple, okay, Macintosh 128k, okay, you can do that. Okay, now instead of this, let me put, I don't know, Mac here. Oh shit, yeah. Okay, this is allowed, and this is allowed because there is the normal starting point of the variable declaration followed by camel case, first capital and followed by the lower, and the number at the end. And yeah, you know, capital, this one is not mandatory, but, and also 128 here, but you can do, like, as you can see, 128, okay. And for that capital letter, basically it's not recommended, but you could also, it's, I don't know, this is not allowed, you can't do this, otherwise you get a fine. But I don't know, whatever the browser you're going to use, you can, but not that well. And then let me add this, but I keep apple here because of the apple, okay. But if I want to improve this, I could do I love apple Macintosh 128k, and boom, you can do that. Or let me also, yes you can, or recommended, let me add the queen chapel, yeah, okay. Now recommended, let me add a red sign, guys, also, yeah, like this one, not recommended, not recommended, let me add an orange, it's well warning, let me see, yeah, could be okay, not allowed. In this case I can add the red sign, okay, yes you can, it's like recommended, yeah, followed by another not allowed here, yeah, and this. For example, you can say like var it's equal to what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, what? This, oh man, this, come on man, this is not allowed. You can't put the double question mark here because you can start with charts basically, some of the special characters, but you can do other things or add a special character later. For example, the last things, and then we are okay for today. Var how much dollar sign, how much dollar, okay, like, and how much dollars, how much it costs, how much it, how much there you go, for this iPhone 17 Ultra. Okay, how much for this new iPhone 17 Ultra, and let me add the iPhone emoji, and this you can. It's not okay, not allowed. What I do? Well, okay, yeah, not allowed, man. What? Yeah. Now let me comment this guy, and boom, how much dollar it will cost the iPhone 17? Oh, come on. Okay, guys, that's it for today about the Learners of Six series, and I'm very happy, guys. Remember to use variable var for values that change and let for values that stay the same. Okay, then that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Then feel free to comment below and to give any kind of feedback. Remember, I'm learning and I'm improving every day. Then if you have to give me any kind of feedback, especially for the language, because I know the language English, but I have to continue improving, then everything, you know where you can get in touch with me via LinkedIn, via withnico.com, via X, and boom, whenever you want, and also here on YouTube. Anyway, if you find my coding tutorials useful, don't hesitate to comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and especially giving feedback and comment also for any other kind of questions regarding the topics I'm going to talk about the tutorials like this. Then peace and have a nice day.